children and their relatives set up these accounts. And he's also being charged for taking money for legal work that he never performed through the law firm of Bradley Law, LLC. So this case begins with the Office of Disciplinary Counsel, an arm of the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania, which has a primary mission to protect the public by investigating complaints against attorneys, and when appropriate, move to suspend or disbar unscrupulous attorneys from practicing law. The ODC was contacted by a client of Bradley's who had paid him for legal work in 2013 that was never done. Other complaints on Bradley were also a part of the investigation by ODC and into Bradley's law practice. Ultimately, Bradley's law license was suspended on August 9th, 2015, and then even after that, he continued to practice law without a license and was then disbarred on September 15th of 2016. Our office was contacted last August by ODC to assess whether criminal charges were warranted. As you can see, they are. The investigation by the Montgomery County Detective Bureau revealed that the defendant executed special need trust agreements for 5 victims, making himself the sole trustee of those accounts. Then he used these accounts for his own benefit. The funds lost from these trust accounts are in the amount of $116,340. Bradley also entered into retainer agreements with additional victims to provide legal services in obtaining certain orders and guardianships for families with special needs relatives. Bradley was paid over $30,000 for his services, but failed to perform the necessary legal work. So the defendant stole monies from these special needs families and used it to pay for his personal bills, such as his home mortgage, his gas for his car, restaurant meals, movie tickets, sporting goods, personal utility bills, and cell phone service. He used these accounts as his own personal ATM. The defendant's actions in unlawfully taking significant sums of money earmarked to help these with special needs is not only illegal, but it's disturbing on a basic human level. The defendant was put in a position of trust or worked himself into a position of trust, and he took advantage of some good people who were trying to take care of loved ones by establishing trust for their ongoing care. He earned their trust, and then he preyed upon those with special needs and on their families.